Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I'm going to move that stool out of my way. And I've got a dustpan, and I've been playing with really simple pours recently. And I have this idea that I want to try a matte black canvas. I also want to put some paint just as a catalyst in the bottom of my dustpan. And instead of putting layers in, I'm just going to put colors that I like in any sort of random order, just so I can see them on the surface though. So we'll see if that works. And I'm not putting the orange and the turquoise metallic next to each other because I know that that will be a problem. But I am going to keep putting colors I like together. And hope that they turn out to be a good combination. I did shake that up. And I'm going to have to remember to stop myself really fairly quickly because I don't think, oh, I gotta find a skewer. No, I got some paint coming out of there. Yay. And what else do I like? I'm lucky when the gold doesn't disappear, and I really want to try some gold, but the white is the catalyst that I'm going to use after I give myself a little permission to use every other color. As always. Really, okay, I just need to find a skewer that I haven't worn the tip out on, and most of them have worn out tips now. I like it when I don't spray myself with paint. Throw a little more orange in there, maybe some red orange. I was kind of thinking some actual magenta would be good. Yeah, that'll be okay, if I can get it. Splooge. Alright. Oh, yeah, there is some dark purple in there. I'm just gonna, yeah, there we go. Alright, so that's quite a bit of paint, and I didn't put the major color I was going to put in there. So I'm going to float some, I think I'm going to try and float some yellow on the surface, or some variation on that theme. Whatever. So over here, this is all going to be about the tipping. Over here I have a black 16 by 20 inch canvas and a fairly large, copious amount of black paint, which I am thinking I will spread by tipping as opposed to spatulaing. And whatever happens, it'd be nice if some of those bubbles would come out. I can see there are some bubbles in there. I'm going to give myself a little more. If I give myself too much, it will be just that, too much. I see that thing that does not belong. Goodbye thing. I've got a little container of gold leaf over on one side of me that calls me every day I see that other thing that does not belong. I do want to take my spatula to that. I'm going to. I'm just going to do it right up to the edge. Maybe tip a little bit of that paint back. Yes, there's a river of paint. Perfect. Sounds like we've got a fan out of sync. Alright, so I like all that. I'm not sure about that paint. Really? Okay, fine, be that way. It's been that kind of day. Never mind. So, I didn't put any gold in, did I? I said I would and then I didn't. So I'm just going to spread it all over the surface and show you. See, lots of gold. There's probably more paint. There's probably enough paint here to cover this entire canvas. I would have to hazard a guess. And I'm just going to put it all out there. Not only that, I'm going to let it drip. And I am going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and scrape out my dustpan before I throw it in the bucket. And then, whoop, sorry, and then give myself permission for a few other things I want. And what I really like is this in there. And what I really want up here is some more of this. And seldom have I given myself carte blanche to use a massive amount of paint, because I'm always thinking that, you know, it's nicer if I'm saving something. But I really just want to see what I can do with my beautiful abstract dustpan colors. And I see something that does not belong. Again, goodbye thing. And I'm going to use my edge catcher. And that's going to change everything, because as soon as I do that, I want gold in there first. I want to try gold on the edge. And to pull my paint down there and to throw it right back in. Oh, come on. I'm having edge catcher issues today. Look. Everything's going over there. And I can just touch that right over. We'll get some nice cells happening. And I'm going to use that paint. It's a very warm day out here. Paint is extremely liquidous. I like that orange and I don't want to see it go anywhere. So I'm going to let all of that fall right over. Without going down my arm, please. And let it flow back. It's a pretty simple process. It's just maybe not the easiest one in the world. Come on, flatten out on the bottom. There we go. Big pool at the bottom. Here it goes, and pulling and rocking, and back into the artwork. And whatever else I might want to do to this could be considered gold. I'm just going to pull a little bit of paint right into what I've got here. Am I? Yes, I am. Okay. Since the gold disappears in heavier, thick paint, especially when it's warm out, I'm just using the dry part of the canvas to give myself some permission. And then I'm going to steal a little tiny bit of that paint and drag it through the gold, because I know that that will create some beautiful cells. And that does not bother me. I'm going to do the same thing, only I've got a little schmutz on my spatula. Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Available on my Amazon link. Wow. First day with my new tongue. Actually, I think I've said that about 6 times recently. Where you can find the gold mica powder that I just added, and my book, Because I Can. And I like that gold down there. I just sort of want some more up here, that's all. And I don't have to put it all the way where I want it, because my spatula will help me distribute that quite nicely. My fingers would work today too. That would be even better. So that's pretty interesting. I like that. And I'm very tempted to keep doing some more stuff, but I think what I want to do is use my black in my squeeze bottle. And then, although I could use chain, I just want to use my bamboo skewer and lead some of those colors right over the edge. And maybe, because I have other black, white, wet paint, I might as well do the same thing where I see it's available to me too. And since it's there and that pink is down there, I think, oh yes you are. That came out really fast after it unplugged itself. Which must mean that I have extra. Which is okay, because I'll just make it go right over the edge. And that reminds me, I could add dots in there. I haven't torched. I kind of want some pink. Fortunately, I can find out if I really want pink or not because I got some on my skewer. I think I would have preferred magenta or purple. And I know I can't probably keep the purple. That doesn't keep me from wanting to try it. Oh yeah, well, there's always that factor of it not coming out. This is an iridescent purple, and that will show up. Now, as much as I'd like to think that I could blow that out, and I probably could, oh, the combination is nice in there. I can't because the paint is so heavy. I've been using a lot heavier paint recently. I like that so much that I'm going for it. And I've got some darker purple, but I actually really like that effect right there. I look back at these paintings and sometimes I go like, why didn't I stop then? Oh, it happens. It's more than you'd imagine. Probably not, you know. Alright, so I have done quite enough of this. It's pretty cool just the way it is. And all that's really left is for me to put it in a position where you can see it. And me to say, shop my Amazon link for all kinds of cool stuff at no added cost to you. I.e. my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, my OXO omelet turning spatula that really needs to go in the bucket. All kinds of canvases, all kinds of paint, and a friend of mine who's making videos on YouTube is also posting there. Please give me a thumbs up. The algorithm on Facebook only knows thumbs up, no thumbs up. And however long you watch, the longer you watch, the bigger of an assistance you are to me. If you can't assist me in any other way, and you want to, watch more videos longer, because that helps the placement of my videos on YouTube so more people can see me. And I really, really, really appreciate that. Helps with my income level. I do sell my artwork, so if you want to inquire, you can inquire through YouTube, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I like that gold so much I need some more. Just can't help myself. And I'm using my favorite tool. Alright, so that's okay. Not only is it okay, it's going to get another dose of gold. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, don't forget. I have great reviews. It has all kinds of links. It's the first 100 videos I created for YouTube. What's better than a little gold? A lot of gold. Alright, so I keep looking at the composition going, what is that missing there? I like to draw the eye from one area of colors to another. So if I add a little orange down here, that's going to leap back and forth between here and there. So I think I told you guys I have fineartamericanpixels.com on my Facebook pages if you find them, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, or Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors. The Fans and Collectors will get you to the albums of YouTube artwork. That's basically what I set the page up for, and then something happens, so you have to join, unfortunately. Sorry about that. I told you I have Pinterest and Instagram at the bottom of my page, under the description, under the video. Also my paint pouring mixture recipes there too. What did I forget? Probably not a whole lot. I appreciate your comments, and if you want to join a contest where I give away painting once a month, please, by all means, you will be automatically entered in that contest should you contribute through PayPal or Patreon. Yes, I am. I'm going there. I just had to do it. When my muse screams in my ear, I listen. Sometimes. Anyway, so I love you guys. All 69,000. Yeah, right. We're not at 69,000 yet, but we will be. We're at 60,000 though, and thank you very much for that. 60,000 subscribers is nice. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your comments. You make my day every day. And I'm going to borrow my stool back from my guest in the studio and see what you can see, and tell you to look at the end screens if you're looking for a list of over 500 videos, pretty close to 600. And my website is there. And maybe the video that will tell you what the prizes are if I made one yet, which I'm hoping to do. So I'm going to zoom that out so you can see all of that. Thank you for joining me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying thanks. I'll see you soon. Come back and enjoy some more videos. Bye for now. Priscilla out.